Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically sell your armors and weapons in the forge. So you are going to go here. It says marbles. I buy weapons. And then would you like to sell any equipments? And then say yes. And then I'm just going to sell the ones that I think I don't need. So maybe this one. Select this one, and then I'll also select the pickaxe that I don't need and press accept. Okay, and then you're just going to say yes, deal. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can sell your equipments in the forge if you need more money. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.